I am games. Microsoft, aka Daddy Big Buck, says, you like PlayStation so much, well guess what? That's all you get to play.
Oh, yo.
No, my Blizzard games. No!
Damn.
Like I always said, if you can't beat them, buy them. RickWa Reacts!
What up, folks? Tis RickWa, and for this video's reaction, I'm gonna be reacting to how everyone reacted when Xbox finally bought Activision / Blizzard by Mightykeef. Now, Xbox and Microsoft is always getting like shit on in Mightykeef's videos, and that's fucking hilarious to say the bare minimum least. But yo, I remember seeing this in the sense of like the news involving Xbox buying Activision / Blizzard, and just like crazy. So let's see what goes on with this, involving this whole ordeal, and how Mightykeef puts it together in a skit. So there's that. But either way, I'm gonna get right into it, and I'm gonna switch over to the green screen webcam real quick, folks. There we go, folks. Also, I hope all of y'all are having a wonderful day today as well, and also please be sure to support Mightykeef within his content creation journey, along with any other content creators that I react to, and supporting them within their content creation journey. But before I get started with this video here, I would like to give a very special thank you to everyone for the positive support, from watching my videos to liking my videos, for the positive comments on my videos, sharing my content around, as that does help with the algorithm, and especially to all of y'all who have subscribed to my channel and made sure to smack the bell button so then y'all know when it is that I'm uploading new content onto my reaction channel. And I greatly appreciate the support thus far and going forward. Y'all are amazingly awesome, folks. But either way, without further ado, gonna get right into it. Let's get started, shall we, folks?
I am Mightykeef.
Hey bro, life is good. Final Fantasy 16 just dropped. Spider-Man 2, Final Fantasy 7 Rebirth at the end of the year.
Yep.
We got it made, baby. PlayStation on top, per usual. What exactly does Microsoft have this year, huh? All they got is Starfield and Todd Howard's lies.
But speak of the devil, I just got a message for this. Looks like Xbox won their case with the buyout of Activision and Blizzard. What?
Damn.
No way. This is probably fake news. That'd be insane if they made Call of Duty an exclusive to like Xbox. Can they do that?
Damn.
Nah. Nah, that would never happen.
Then he nervously goes and looks. What?
I guess technically they could even make Blizzard games an exclusive. Could you imagine not being able to play Diablo on your PlayStation or anything?
Damn.
That's odd. Can't move my mouse. I'm still trying to wrap my head around all this. Like, how that even... Is there a problem, brother?
Oh.
It was all funny, all jokes before, wasn't it? What did you do? Y'all loved mocking me for years, not having games and all that. Well, now I am games. Microsoft, aka Daddy Big Buck, says, you like PlayStation so much, well guess what? That's all you get to play.
Oh, yo.
No, my Blizzard games. No!
Damn.
Like I always said, if you can't beat them, buy them. My Diablo character. 70 hours of my life gone. And I wasn't even playing on hardcore mode. Oh no, I can't play World of Warcraft anymore. I've been playing that since I was 16. Oh no, I can't play Overwatch anymore. Oh. I'm free.
My PS5! Where is it?
Damn.
What did you do? Where's my Final Fantasy?
There is no more Final Fantasy. There's only
no.
Starfield and Todd Howard's lies.
How the hell did the FTC allow this?
I'm Microsoft, baby. I'm old, I'm rich, and I'm white.
Where's my Call of Duty? Where are my OG Call of Duty games, man?
You can't play them anymore. But they were physical copies. Nigga, I said what I said.
Oh dear God.
Now sit here and wallow in your failures. Cause I might just go and buy Disney. Take out Squall and Cloud Strife. And put in Master Chief and Kingdom Hearts.
Damn!
Rich nigga out.
Or that's just crazy.
Oh no. He said, if you can't beat him, buy him. Yo. Oh no, yo. And then all like the Sony stuff ended up disappearing. The game's getting uninstalled on PC. Yikes! And when he was talking about Overwatch, the one character was like, "I'm free!" Oh, yo, that was wild and hilarious, to say the bare minimum at least. But yeah, no. Yeah, as he was saying, Xbox was getting made fun of the most, and then they had the big bucks and decided to buy out Activision and Blizzard. Yo, that is wild. But once again, good stuff to Mightykeef. And right now, I'm going to switch over to the green.
Oh no.
I'm going to switch over to the regular webcam real quick, folks. Man, words be tough sometimes, though. There we go, folks. Hope y'all enjoyed that as well, too, because I got to say, once again, that was hilarious. And a little bit wild as well. So there's that. But either way, I'm at the end point of this reaction video, and if y'all have gotten this far, I do greatly appreciate that. As basically, I'm finna bounce. So there's that. And if y'all like this kind of content on my reaction channel, of course, please be sure to leave a like, leave a positive comment, share my content around, as that does help with the algorithm. If y'all have not already, of course, please be sure to smack that subscribe button and the bell button, so then y'all know when it is that I am uploading new content on my reaction channel. And the support is always very much so greatly appreciated. Y'all folks are amazingly awesome. But either way, till the next reaction video that I upload, peace out, y'all.